Hi, I'm Jan Harrell. I'm at Cool Tools in Wisconsin, and I am showing you some neat new products, and these are embossing pens. They're used for enameling. Watch. Remember, always wear a mask when you're enameling. I have this bowl, and it looks great. It's almost finished. I'm going to fire these decals in place that I've made, but I'd really like to sign my name on the back. What is the easiest way to do that? Well, as you know, I'm kind of lazy, so I try to do the laziest thing, and these are wonderful embossing pens. They're used in calligraphy and in different kind of paper art, and one of them is usually a brush tip, like that, and the other one is, hard to get off, a bullet tip. But it doesn't matter what color these are. You can get them in black, any other color that is available. So don't feel like you have to get, I've never seen them in gray actually. What you're looking for is the moisture in here. So this is another glitter and glue technique. I can write my name on the back, and you have to have your enamel ready to go. This doesn't stay moist for very long. And I sift till I can't see the pattern anymore, and then I dump. So this little bit of a haze that you're getting around here won't show up in the final product, but if it bothers you to look at that, you're going to have to grade sift the fines out of here. But I know that this little bit of opaque on here is not going to make any difference at all, and that'll fire in. It's just a great little tool if you like drawing with Sharpies on stuff. This is a great tool, and you can use it for more than just doing your signature on the back. So I've got this piece of marker board that I've started. It needs something, and it doesn't need green, so it maybe needs a little yellow. I think I did this pattern with a stencil that I cut out, and then I came back in with the paints that I just showed you, or the cool hot paints, and I put a little bit more color in there, but I'd like a little bit of more contrast in here. So I'm going to use the brush tip. I'm going to get the enamel ready because this dries very quickly. So if you need to make a lot of lines in here, do some, sift, dump, and come back and do it again. So I'm just going to make some straight lines across here. Oh man, that's just great. And I know that if I want to, I can take anything and I can come back in here and alter this line with sgraffito. So it's not done till the fat lady sings. And this is singing pretty good, yeah. I've been mounting these tiles on 6x6 boards that give it a nice area around the edge, and it looks like a finished product. And I've been using different kinds of paper on the background to collage, and then you just stick this thing on top of it, and you know, it's a very nice wall piece. I really like that look. So in both of these processes that we're using the embossing pen, you are putting on just a hair of enamel. So when you go into fire, you need to be aware that the enamel is not going to hold up that long. Go in for a shorter length of time, maybe a minute for this piece, a little bit longer for the bowl because it's on copper and it's got a little more density to it and it's bigger. And then stay in at 1350. I like to use low temperatures when I'm adding embellishments on a piece. It'll save the rest of your piece from going south on you. Look at how you can personalize your pieces with that easy technique. I hope you enjoyed this. What a great way to put your name on that beautiful piece of enamel that you've created.